If you're an Amazon seller wanting to sell supplements without getting suspended, completely shut down, or outranked by your competition, then don't miss this video. In this video, I'm explaining 5 things you should be aware of before selling any type of supplement on Amazon. Knowing these supplement selling secrets is what has helped the most successful sellers on the platform. Ignoring these tips can get your account suspended before your listings ever go live. If you're currently dealing with a suspended Amazon account, then we may be able to help you get it active again. Reach out to us by going to emaamz.com and click the contact button in the nav bar. Before we jump in, let me first tell you who I am and what we do at Evolve Media Agency. Real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Mirella and I'm the marketing director at Evolve Media Agency. At EMA, we completely revamp Amazon listings by doing top-tier product photo and video shoots that increase PPC ad performance by boosting the product detail page's conversion rate. We also build out brand story sections, Amazon storefronts, and create off-Amazon marketing funnels. If you want free access to our Amazon listing checklist, go to amzchecklist.com. And if you want to book a free consulting call where you'll get a free Amazon listing audit, then go to emaamz.com. So let's get back to the 5 things you need to know before selling supplements on Amazon. Before we dive into the rules and regulations, let's first establish what Amazon considers a supplement. According to Amazon's guidelines, a supplement is defined by any product that is intended to supplement the diet and contains one or more of the following dietary ingredients: a vitamin, a mineral, an herb or other botanical, an amino acid, or a dietary substance. Next, let's talk about some of the issues you might face when selling supplements on Amazon. You will need to be extremely careful and conservative with the claims you make. If you claim or guarantee that your supplement will cure, treat, or prevent certain ailments, then you're asking for trouble from Amazon, which could lead to your listing or entire seller account to be suspended. It almost seems like Amazon suspends first and assumes you're guilty, then forces you to prove your innocence. Also, the supplement industry is regulated by the FDA, just like our food, and Amazon has its own strict rules and requirements for supplement sellers. Some of the challenges you may face, including getting approved as a seller, adhering to Amazon's policies, complying with FDA regulations, providing accurate product information, and differentiating yourself from competitors. You also have to stick to Amazon's rules and requirements. First, you need to get approved as a supplement seller. You will need to provide supporting documentation such as a finished product, certificate of analysis, COA, among others. And then there's waiting for approval. Once you're approved to sell supplements on Amazon, you need to ensure that your products comply with FDA regulations. This means that your supplements need to be safe, properly labeled, and not misleading. You also have to give accurate and complete product information like the ingredients, dosage, and any potential side effect or warnings it might have. To differentiate yourself from competitors, you'll need to offer a unique product, provide excellent customer service, and offer competitive pricing. It's also important to stick to Amazon's policies, including its product detail page rules and community guidelines, to ensure they don't remove your product detail pages, or worse, suspend your account. Now that we've covered some of the rules for selling supplements on Amazon, let's discuss the 3rd thing sellers need to know: the best types of supplements to sell on the platform. The most popular supplements on Amazon are vitamins, minerals, protein powders, pre-workout supplements, and weight loss supplements. But when choosing a product to sell, it's important to do your research and identify gaps in the market that you can fill. Otherwise, you're competing with established sellers who are selling the same products. Determine what is the most needed product and find a competitive edge to capitalize on. Also, good inventory management is key for products that expire. Watch your shelf life on supplements just like you would if you were selling food. With all of the red tape involved in selling supplements on Amazon, you may be wondering if it's worth the effort. The answer is yes, but only if you're willing to put in some work and be extra cautious when creating content. With the rise in health and wellness trends, there's a growing demand for supplements. Amazon is the platform if you want to reach a massive audience. Supplement sales on Amazon experienced a 54% year-over-year growth, with probiotics in the lead, then multivitamins, collagen, ashwagandha, and vitamin D following close behind. But it's essential to research and identify profitable products with high demand and low competition. Investing in advertising and building a strong brand can help you stand out from the competition and increase your sales too. While supplements on Amazon can be a profitable business, it is more challenging for sellers. To succeed, you need to follow Amazon's rules and requirements, comply with FDA regulations, and invest time and money into building a strong brand. The most successful supplement sellers on Amazon stay up to date with industry trends and ingredients. They're also putting in the work to provide high-quality products and excellent customer service. If you need help optimizing your product listings to increase your sales, our team at Evolve Media Agency can help. You can get free access to our Amazon listing checklist by going to amzchecklist.com. And if you want to book a free consulting call with a free Amazon listing audit, then go to emaamz.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.